lot of CRMs that do not come to a level that they should. Yeah, they suck. But you know what? A lot of times, a CRM is only as good as they make it. All right. The reason why some of these CRMs are so darn cheap, I'm doing this for $20 a month. What do you get for $20 a month? Can you buy a car for $20 a month? I mean, what do you get for $20 a month? Okay. When I say, hey, I have a vehicle for $20 a month, it's a big wheel, but hey, who cares? It's a, but it's a vehicle. It gets me from point A to point B. That's what some of these CRMs do. They get from point A to point B, but guess what? There's nothing attached to it. All it does is it's a glorified collection of data. And yes, you know what? Maybe it's a nice lead generator and nice, it puts leads in and stuff like that. But there's no workflow process. There's no that you can add email campaigns to it. You have to use another tool for emails, or then you would have to use another tool for this, another tool for that. And the more you want your CRM to handle, the higher the price will go. And some of these high price CRMs, you really need to know exactly what you're doing because you're wasting your money on it because it can do all this stuff and all you need to do is this stuff. But guess what? This stuff that it does a really good job at it, but you're not using all these other features, so maybe you're paying a little bit too much. So then you say, you're right, I'm paying too much. I'm going to go to another CRM that's not that expensive. But guess what? You want this amount, now you're getting this amount. And that's why I say to people, you want to make sure we see you don't lead, hey, I need a CRM. This is what I need to get. You need to look at your business first and see, well, what type of CRM does your business need? Because if I have no other tools, you better have a fantastic CRM that has all the tools built in. And then you got to learn all those the features of that tool. Then you have to hire someone to probably run with that. All right. It depends what you need on a CRM. If you already have systems in place or certain tools in place, maybe this CRM would duplicate that tool and maybe you don't use it as much as you need to. All right. So for example, if you have if you already have an email marketing tool that you absolutely love, and then you have a CRM over here that does its own email marketing, and you really using that CRM to the best of its ability. Yeah. And so you really have to look at that from that point of view. So they don't suck, but read the fine print. And the fine print is this CRM will only do A, B, and C. And if I promise you all of these things that it can do, you better have the staff available, you better have the knowledge that you need to learn and the time you need to learn it to get all that up. So you could do that if you want, or you bring someone in like myself, my team, and we'll find the right one for you, and we'll create it, run it, maintain it. The CRMs that go just on price alone, that's their driving. That's their driving. That's their benefit. $20 a month. What do you get for $20 a month? Well, you get a place to store your data. All right. Maybe on top of that, there are other features which are great. Like I said, if I'm only paying $20 a month and gives me all these features, chances are I got to learn all these features and what those features, how they are delivered with $20 a month. They're probably not the top of the line features. They're probably a little clunky. They probably can't connect to as many tools as you want, but it's only $20 a month. That's the driving cost. When you hear CRM say, look, I can do all in one, I can do workflows, I can do email marketing, I can do landing pages, I can integrate your calendar. Then you say, wow, I love all those features. What's the price? But if you have a CRM going for $20, this is what you're going to get. Buyer beware. And maybe there is a business out there that only needs $20 worth of CRM. If you're just starting out, you only have a client or two, okay, fine. Go with the $20 CRM. At least you get to see what a $20 what a CRM is all about. But if you're ready to take your business to another level, if you're on the climb up to where you want to be, do not buy a $20 CRM.